So I just finish applying nail polish and I'm keeping it here. And now I have taken all ice and ice cold water. If you apply nail polish and you want it to get dried fast, you need to immerse your fingers in the ice cold water and it will get dried so quickly. See, the ice water has almost dried all the nail polish. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary, your own YouTube channel where we all are growing and learning. So friends, today this is the most requested question which I get from Instagram, TikTok and YouTube, that what is the best thing to erase your wrinkles on your face? How do you get a good glow on your face and a good shine on your face? Excuse me that I'm wearing again double layer clothes because it's very cold, and I'm going to show you a very $0, zero cents you have to spend on this. Everybody has this in their own house and it's in their own kitchen. So I just have a nice hanky, a clean hanky over here, and I have some ice cubes. These are the ice cubes, and everybody finds it in their fridge and their freezer. So this is the ice and it costs $0 to make it. If you don't have an ice maker, I had an ice maker and I got it in very beautiful cubes, as you all can see. So people have too many dark circles under their eyes and all, and they want to erase it all. Just give this ice only 1 month on your face and you'll see that there's a vast difference. Your skin has become tighter, firmer, cleaner, and it's been well nourished because there's only water and it is only transformed in the ice. And right now it's so cold, I don't think I would like to just put it on my face because I don't like cold things, as you all know. I like to do everything hot and warm. So I have a very good hanky over here. I have already washed and wiped my face, and there's nothing on my face except for a little Vaseline, and I had tinted that Vaseline, so you will see a little lip liner and just a little color on my lips, and my full face is plain and I have not done anything. So you can actually take the ice and rub directly on your face, but make sure that you do the ice upward, never do it downward because it will make your skin sag. So I just took one ice cube and I'm putting it onto the towel over here and I'm just folding it off. Over here is the ice. I'll better take two so that I have a good grip, and I have taken 2 cubes of ice over here now, so it's 2 cubes. So I'll just fold it. I'll just make it a nice this one over here, and I have got a nice ice is in here. So now I'll just take it, but see that it is kept in a great shape because you should not feel uneven when you're doing it. So think that I have circles over here, dark circles over here. So just close your eyes and just rub it and just keep it on your eyes for 1 minute. Let it get nice massage and the cold massage. Now shift it and do it to your right eye again. This will erase all your dark circles under your eye, and that puffiness what you have on your eye, that also will go. So now it's leaving out all the water. So now I have little lines over here. So I'll just keep on massaging, and I'm doing it upward. And don't press it and do it, just do it with a soft hand actually. So just keep massaging and taking it upward. So you can do it from the chin area, start from the chin area and go all the way up. Just massage it upward. It's keeping the face so clean and cool. And if you feel that you're feeling too cold, you can on a heater, personal heater on your face and do it too. So this is how it is. Just keep massaging upward. It's giving me such a good feeling already. I feel so fresh. So just, and when you come to your forehead, just do this also upwardly. And people will have crow feet over here. lines near their eyes. So just take that and massage over there also. So just keep massaging and keep shifting. If you feel cold this side, go to your left side. So it helps you so much in getting very good skin. For the lips, you need to do how I'm doing. Yeah. Make sure that the hanky is always clean and clear. Keep some hankies only for your face and to do all this, that you don't get confused with your kitchen towels and your face towels. So these I had actually bought it from the Dollar Tree, and they have very good this one. Now I feel that I have massaged well. So the towel has become so cool, and it feels that I'm sweating because the water was so cold and it was dripping. You can actually just take the ice and do it more directly. That will have a more good impact on your skin, but because it's too cold and it is minus temperatures here in America, this is a very good remedy for summers. Actually, every day you can do, but now it is winter, so I just do 2 or 3 times in a week. So I don't like cold things, but today I just was feeling my own face was so dull and lifeless I was feeling. So I said okay. So I did it so well, and I can feel that my blood circulation has become more good. If you see the starting of the video, I looked so pale, and right now I can feel that plump of the blood flowing on my face, and I'm feeling so good. I'll keep this towel in a clean place. And I just applied nail polish, and this is a tip which I'm going to give for nail polish. If you want to dry your nail polish as soon as possible, I just applied half an hour back, and I did this method actually. So you just soak your nails in the ice cold water, and the nail polish will dry so quickly. So that is the tip. And today I hope this remedy of ice and all helps you in getting a youthful skin, and hope you feel very good after doing this. I'm feeling really fresh, and I'm feeling like a 20-year-old now. So your age will reduce off by 20 years when you do this. So I hope you like this remedy and like this info which I gave you. And if you have liked me, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Okay, see you all then. Bye. Love you all. Like it, share, and subscribe. Bye.